So I have white Adriatic here. I did a review on the Panache, and can't remember if I did a review on the white Adriatic, so here it is. So the white Adriatic for us would be a late ripening, means it ripened towards fall. I'm thinking end of September, early October will be the soonest Adriatic we will get. So the goal for us in the Pacific Northwest is to have an earliest ripening Adriatic variety that would do well. So hopefully we can find which one works for us. But this one is a white Adriatic. You can see it's quite different than the Desert King in a sense. A Desert King would have a very thin flesh. Here, I cut one right here. This has a very thick skin. That's very good for packaging and transporting compared to Desert King. The size is a medium size in comparison. And this green is not like dark green like a Desert King. It's more of like yellow green. But the flesh, the flavor is much different than a Desert King. Just love how this looks. This is like a Panache in a sense, except it's not stripe. But to me, it does have a tiny bit better flavor than a Panache, but by just 1 point, not much. So I can't remember what I rated the Panache, but I think it was like 6 or 7 out of 10. So this would be like a half point or a point above it. So it'll still be like a 7 out of 10 for me. I'm saving my 8 and 9 and 10s for other varieties. So you can see how beautiful that looks. So it has a thick skin, means I can easily squeeze this out. And the skin, I don't eat the skin. I usually don't. So, skin is still there. It has a little tartness to it that is like a raspberry, I would say. But it's sweet, but like you want more. It's very addictive. I really love the Adriatic variety. So even though it is late ripening, I really like how, well, it seems as if all the late ripenings are excellent in flavor. So that's why we really try to grow it for that reason. So just love the white Adriatic, the Adriatic type of figs here.